direct translation word problem here. Now, I've written everything down for you, the direct translation. And then this is the first new result right here. This is the first non-given. This is the difference of two squares formula. X minus y times x plus y equals to x squared minus y squared. Okay, now notice x minus y is equal to 2 over 15 is given. So we can actually write down 2 over 15 times x plus y. Okay, again, that's just substitution. All right, but notice here, this gives us a fairly convenient multiplication operation. If we multiply through by 15 halves, that's going to imply that will lead to x plus y. Now, y'all, again, what I'm going to do right here is multiply both sides by 15 over 2, meaning I'm going to take the reciprocal of this and multiply it by 44 over 225, and that'll lead to 22 over 15. Okay, now I'm going to leave out just the tedious arithmetic step, but I think that it's pretty clear that gives you 22 over 15. And again, y'all, just to make sure I didn't make any mistakes here, all I did was multiply through by the reciprocal, which is 15 halves. So you can think of the 15 halves as being right here. Okay, so this 15 would cancel with this 225 to give you the 15 that you see over here. Then 2 underneath 44 is 22. Now, a lot of you guys may want to write that down, but it's kind of cleaner just to leave that out and let people fill in the steps. And also people learn. Okay, now notice what do we do now? We have two unknowns in just one equation, but notice we can still reuse this guy right here. So right underneath it, I will write just directly underneath x minus y. Okay, x minus y equals to, what do we got, 2 over 15? Now, that's convenient also, and this is kind of a standard thing that happens on these type of setups. If we add these two equations here, okay, if we add these two equations, the y's naturally eliminate, you see. And so, oh no, where did she come from? That's the calculator lady. If you add these two equations, let me just draw a horizontal here. Okay, if we add these two equations, the y's eliminate, and we get 2x equals to 24 over 15. Don't let her intimidate you. Okay, now dividing by 2 gives us x equals to 12 over 15. And that's certainly, they both have a factor of what, 3, a common factor of 3. And so this would reduce to 4 over 5. So we have x is equal to 4 over 5. All right. So that's one of the solutions, x equals 4 over 5. Okay, and now the other, what are we going to do? We can use this top equation up here. Let's come back up here. So x minus y, let me just write this here. I'm coming down here, x minus y. So that would leave us with 12 over 15, or excuse me, let me erase that. Okay, that would be 4 over 5, y'all. And again, I'm using this equation right here, so that would be 4 over 5. Minus y equals to 2 over 15. Equals to 2 over 15. Okay, and let's see, that would be 4 over 5, folks, is what, 12 over 15? And 12 over 15 minus 2 over 15 is 10 over 15, so we would get 10 over 15. We're going to land right on top of this old crank. 10 over 15 is equal to y equals to 2 over 3. So a relatively easy equation if you're just dealing with integers. Gets a little tedious when you're working with fractions, but again, it's the very same structure as if you were just working with integers. So those are the solutions, folks. Y equals to 2 over 3, and x is equal to 4 over 5. Excuse me. Hope you enjoyed.